Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. And this video today, after so long I'm making this habit series, and let me be very honest today. In this video I will be talking about that how to deal with this increased complexity in a very easier way. Don't you also agree with me that we live in a very complex world? I mean to say a very complex world. It's so difficult to understand what the other person is actually into. Totally out of my head, man. So in this complex society, in this complex people where every other person is very difficult for you to understand, and in that way where you are a very straight person, please don't be straight in life. It is can lead you to major problems, major problems. So how to deal with this part? So क्या होता है ना, you start feeling that things are not going okay for you. Things are out of your hand, out of your control. And at that time, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling anxious, and specifically if you're living alone, away from your family, you don't have anybody around you, things will go worse for you. So, what to do in this case is that this video is for those people who are independent, still away from the family, and you don't know how to manage because you know what? If you're not fake, you won't have a circle. I'm telling you this because in this world today, everybody is kind of a fake person only. So you won't be having a big circle. You will be mostly alone in life. You will be indulged into doing your own stuffs because of this reason. And yes, this can be at times very depressing for you. So in this video, we'll be seeing that when you feel that everything around is falling apart, well, you have everything, still you feel like, yeah, I don't have anything. In that case, what to do and how to cheer your mood up is all we're gonna see in this video. So please watch the video to the end because this is gonna be very, very and very beneficial. Chalo, so I'm gonna tell you the first and the simplest formula. So the first and the simplest formula to cheer your mood up is, of course, shopping. ये एक ऐसा formula है which all of us know, but we tend to ignore it when we are into stress. I'll tell you, यार, please move out. थोड़ा सा बाहर जाओ. If you are at your work, take some time out and just move out and go to a place and start doing shopping. Because when you shop, you are buying certain stuffs which are very new to you and buy the things which you like, right? I'm not telling you to spend a lot of money. You don't need not spend 50,000 or a lakhs of rupees. No, my dear. You can do it with little very small pennies. Just go to a shop, buy a new pen for you, buy a new diary for you, buy a new bottle for you, buy a new coffee mug for yourself, buy new makeup stuffs for yourself. Do this little gestures and be with those stuffs for few days. कुछ दिनों के लिए उन चीज़ों के साथ enjoy करिए. You'll feel happy because the stuffs are very new around you, and this is not in need of huge amount of money. With very little amount of money, buy a new book because new books makes me happy. A new coffee mug will make me happy. So please start doing that. And when you are bored of that new thing, please go and buy one more book or maybe one more stuff, whatever you want. Those basic things, have a habit of spending in those areas because that spending money, I'll tell you, relaxes your mood. I'll tell you, this works. Please go and do this once. If you're very stressed now, just go and spend some amount of money and you'll feel very relaxed and happy that you've done something for yourself. So that's literally a good feeling. Do try this out. Now let me tell you the second and the most easiest way is visit a parlor, right? Just go there, have a good hair massage, have a good hair spa, and most importantly, you can please try a haircut because this is also psychologically proven that cutting hair after a long time when you feel like you're a lot of stressed and they carry a lot. They carry a lot of your problems. So cut it, and this is gonna at least for certain days if you'll feel lighter. You'll feel lighter from your head, and that works. I'll tell you. These are very vague stuffs I might telling, but they are not actually vague. I mean, just to try this. This will help you out. Next and the easiest one is change your diet. Diet doesn't mean that you have to change every stuff which is there in your plate, but there are certain stuffs which you can add in your diet. Like if you wish, you can, if you are a caffeine lover, you can just get rid of caffeine for certain time. आप कुछ दिन के लिए coffee मत पीजिए. If you are a tea lover, don't drink tea for certain times. Or you can add tea in your diet, or you can add anything. Add certain fruits, add certain specific stuffs in your diet. This is gonna make you feel good. And अगर आपको ये नहीं करना है, so please go and have your favorite food. I'm telling you, food relaxes your mind a lot. You know, I have tried this formula a few months back. I used to stay alone and I used to be like, what to do now? I'm not feeling happy, I'm not feeling good. I used to order my favorite food, and when I was at my favorite food, I used to forget everything. So you can even do that. Even like right now, if I'm trying to do something just to make myself feel lighter, I'm trying little amount of alkaline water, and that makes me feel good. So a change in diet will change a lot of things here. Try this out. Next is change your surroundings. So how to change your surrounding? I'm not telling you to leave your job and go outside or अपना घर छोड़ के बाहर चले जाइए आप. No यार, come on. Whenever all of us have a very comfort zone where we feel happy, where we feel accepted, where we know this is my place. Everybody has my place in their house. सबके घर में आपका एक अपना कॉर्नर होता है, आपका एक अपना कमरा होता है. Make sure that your room has all those stuffs which you love. आपके आँख के सामने वो चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, because that is the ultimate comfort zone that you have. पूरा दिन थक कर अपने कमरे में पहुँचते हैं. So there you should have the stuffs which you love and have a habit of changing the stuffs here and there. If in not that way, try bringing new things into your room. आपके आसपास कुछ नई चीज़ें लाइए. अगर आप उनसे बोर हो गए हैं, remove them and bring something new. And nowadays, so shopping is so easier. You know, we can do it online. If not, go to a good shop, or maybe furnishing places where you can get new furnitures as well, and new wall decorative items and all, and they'll make you feel good. This change in your surrounding changes a lot. Keep your surroundings clean, obviously, up every time. I'm telling you, don't have the habit of cluttering the clothes together. Don't have the habit of keeping things here and there. When everything around you is organized, your brain is also organized, and doing these little things will make you happy. You'll be like, at least you have a beautiful place around, you have a good space around to make you feel accepted and make you feel belonged. Please do that, my dear. Now, do you love plants? Well, if you don't, you should try this out. Go to a garden, and if you don't want to go to a garden, have your own garden. If you don't have time for that, also, there are so many options of indoor plants today. Why don't you have an indoor plant with you? It can be any plant, any beautiful plant. You know, I have so beautiful money plants, jade as well as bamboo, and they're so beautifully arranged in my room. I wish I could show you. One day I'll show you people that how I've arranged my plants. Trust me, if you have nothing in life, just look at them and they'll teach you how they grow, what they need to grow. And when you look at them, that is so much peaceful. That greenery is so much peaceful. They'll make you, and as per vastu, as well, aesthetic, and if I talk about in the terms of aesthetics, they are so good for your head. So please do have plants around you. At least in your bedroom, you should have one real plant. I'm not talking about the plastics one. Please do have a real plant around you that will make things little lighter around you. Next, which I'm going to talk about is, some of you might not agree with me, but this works here. I mean, that is to have certain friends with whom you can gossip. You should have certain people in your life to whom you can irritate, to whom you can just, take out all your grudges onto, because you cannot do this with everybody. But you should have certain people, and if you don't have humans, you must be having animals around you. Even not that, you must be having your parents around you. But you should have that one person, or that on whom you can take out all your grudges. You can just say anything to the person, but make sure that that person should be understanding enough not to revert back in that way. If you have somebody who's not even reverting, but that's a beautiful blessing, my dear. अगर ऐसे लोग हैं आपके पास जिन पर आप अपना सारा भड़ास निकाल सकते हैं, so please do have certain people. And if you don't have a group of friends who have the habit of gossiping. You should not learn, and gossiping is a very bad stuff when it comes to the planets and astrology and all. It really impacts your growth. But still, for certain days when you're not feeling good, you want to speak to somebody, please have certain group of people, not on phone, around you with whom you can sit outside and you can talk at your workplace or wherever, or on phone also, to the people also you people are meeting the next day, right? Not to a long distance person. But please have certain people around you with whom you can sit and gossip and talk vague stuff, talk nonsense. And gossip, it doesn't mean you have to gossip about third person. You can gossip on multiple life stuffs as well. That will also lighten your mood. And with these people also, sometimes go outside, have a little outing and all. Things becomes easier and things becomes little lighter around you. Now let us see the last and my favorite one. Because when you do this, this ultimately gives you a lot of peace. You don't need people, you don't need money, you don't need new stuffs around you. All you need is this one thing to do. All of us in our life, every human being is blessed. Everybody has one or two achievements in their life. Even if you don't have anything now, you have a beautiful family, you have beautiful children, you might have a good husband, you might have good friends, you might have good plants around you, you might have a pet around you. So these things are your blessings, and if you are even successful in your life, that stuff is gonna be your motivation. अपनी achievements को अपने आप के सामने रखिए. अगर आप भूल गए हैं तो please open your files back, open your pictures back and relive those moments. पुरानी memories मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, your achievements जिनको देख के आपको लगता है this is what I've done for myself, this is me, this is my potential, this is what I can do, and I can go up to little more than this. I have the capabilities, because you are literally little grown up now, so you definitely have little more capability to do much better than that. वो motivation अपने आप के सामने रखिए. Have a little time to revisit those stuffs and remind yourself that you are the best. Number one. Second thing, please visit a very positive place. It can be different places as per you. I normally have the habit to visit to my Almighty, and I just go and I just sit down and meditate for certain times. Don't seek anything from God. I always say this, don't. But please have this feeling of gratitude. It's always, thankfulness. Thankfulness for being alive. Saying a thank you for having four limbs and hind limbs. Saying a thank you for having a beautiful eyes. Saying a thank you for having a so comfortable and beautiful life. Saying thank you for those amazing food that you get every day which others might not get. Saying thank you for a beautiful job you have. Saying thank you for beautiful parents you have. Something beautiful you might be having in your life, so be thankful for that, because there are many people who strive for them, there are many people who don't have it. So you have to be a little thankful to God. And that feeling, when you thank God for having the stuff that you have in your life, you ultimately start feeling happier. You ultimately start feeling good. You know what? I have it. People don't have it. And this feeling ultimately will release all the cortisol from your body. And what else you want? You might be having a beautiful garden in your house. Isn't that beautiful? You might be having a beautiful room. Isn't that beautiful? You might be having a very comfortable space, which people don't have here. Come on. You should be thankful for that. Right? So please, please, my dear, get up. There is nothing which can stop you in your life. Don't have the habit of giving up, because I'm telling you, you are alone. We all are here alone, and we have to leave everything alone. And most importantly, nobody gonna save you. Nobody's gonna live your life on your way. Nobody is gonna walk into your shoes. It's completely your life. You don't have any choice. So rather than sitting down and dwelling in all those miseries and all those problems which you have yourself created for yourself, better get up and do something better. Yes. And make everybody happy around you. Everybody, everybody deserves to be happy. Everybody. That's all I know. And that's all I want all my viewers to have. All the specific good readers, people. Read books at the end is all I'll tell you. I didn't want to include this, but again at the end I'll complete this video by this thing only. Read books. Because ye books ही है which will make you this. Right? Otherwise, worldly experiences will make you a depressed person. But they are the books which will make you a real person. Okay? I hope this video might have helped you people. Please, please, please keep on supporting. And I'm so happy that even my one video, if it creates a change in your life, I will be forever grateful. Thank you so much. Yeah? Till then, please take care, stay connected, and stay happy, guys.